intersection of my deepest needs.
Look at this guy. Such a beautiful color. Good morning, my Destiny tribe. What's up?
We are on our way to Haad Khom.
Coconut. Không phải. Rồi.
Intersection of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know me. But when we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story.
We are at Haad Khom and it looks just perfect, just very nice. A very turquoise water. And all the restaurants and hotels have such a beautiful architecture. So unique. I really like it. That's my boy eating some coconut over there.
I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I.
Look how cute the pet.
Look, it's she. What? Can you ask the lady what's her name?
If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little? To our own drum. And if there really is a soul, maybe now we found our own one. The same old song with a zesty lick. I'm ready to explore in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's not waste our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree.
Vegan food in the house.
When I was small, I always wanted to see a blue flower. And here in Thailand, they have this beautiful one. You can make tea with it. And one time, I was in a restaurant in Koh Phangan, and the lady told me in old times they used it to color their eyebrows as a makeup. So they used to color the eyebrows with the pigment of this beautiful flower. For some reason in the camera it looks purplish, but it's a very, very intense blue.
Why don't we grow a little?
Okay guys, this is noni juice, this noni. It seems to be very healthy. It helps you to clean your system, your blood. Organic noni juice, of course, as any juice. Juicing is awesome for our system. And here we are, let's drink one try. First try I'm trying noni. Next time I'm gonna pass by, I wanna see how the tree looks like. are fried basil with tofu and vegetables, fried vegetable dumpling, some brown rice, a bit. Let's enjoy the food, and after Haad Khom.
Quick stop at home to get some batteries for our camera and kombucha. Coconut we've seen so far. The dog just took the coconut and ran away. What a strong dog, I tell you that much. Ah, so cute. All the dogs having coconut. Who let the dogs out?
Nothing is permanent.
For more information about Haad Khom, make sure to check the link in the description below to our blog. Thanks for watching and stick around for more of beautiful Koh Phangan.